In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT from Binance account to another Binance account without any fee. It will be 100% free and it will also take less than a minute to transfer your funds. So let's start our video. So I have opened my first account on Binance application. From this account, I will transfer USDT to another account. Now to transfer USDT, come on the wallet. Now here you can see some button: deposit, withdraw and transfer. This transfer button is used to transfer funds from spot to funding or funding to spot for your own account. But currently we are doing withdraw from this account. Click on the withdraw. Now here you can search USDT or any coin you want to transfer. Click on USDT. So when you click on the USDT, here you can see two options: send via crypto network or send via email, phone, ID. Now currently we are transferring USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account. So we can transfer from the both options. Let me show you first option, send via crypto network. Now here you have to paste the address of the network which you select. Now here we need USDT address. Let me open another account. I have opened my second account in which I want to deposit USDT. Now here we are doing deposit. Select deposit USDT. When you come on the USDT, here you can see there are many networks just like TRC20, BEP20, ERC20, Polygon. Commonly I use TRC20 and BEP20. It shows that how much minimum deposit you can. The TRC20 it is 0.01 USDT and estimated arrival time is 2 minutes. TRC20 required only one confirmations. BNB required 15 block confirmations and estimated time is 3 minutes. Both are very reliable which I use. So you can select anyone. I will select TRC20. Now here is our address. You have to select TRC20 on another account and paste this address. Paste your address here which we copy from the second account, and here you have to select the same network which you have select on the second account. I have selected the TRC20 address. So this is the main part of the video. Do not select any other network, otherwise you may lose your funds. Select TRC20. How much USDT you want to withdraw? Let's say I want to transfer 10 USDT. Now on the bottom here you can see receive amount 10 USDT and network fee is 0 USDT because the USDT address is from the Binance account. So Binance to Binance transfer is 100% free. Let me click on the withdraw. So here you can see withdrawal amount of 10 USDT, network fee is 0, and you can see the network, drone, TRC20 and address. So when you click on the send, your funds will be transferred. Now let me show you the another way. Cancel this, back button, click on the USDT. Now here is another option, send via email, phone, ID. You don't need TRC or BB20 network. You can transfer from the email, phone or ID. Click here. Now there are multiple options. Select mode, email, phone number or Binance ID. Let's say you don't want to share your email address, phone number, then you can select Binance ID, which is very secure way. To copy the Binance ID, let's come on the second account. To get the Binance ID, click on this icon. Click here and here you can see UID. Just copy this ID and share with the sender. Now here you have to paste the Binance ID, withdrawal amount. Now let's say 10 USDT. You can type any note if you want. So again here you can see total amount 10 USDT and fee will be 0 USDT. Now we don't need to select the networks or copy the address. You just need Binance ID. Or you can also do with the email or phone number. Click on the send. Here you can see select mode is Binance ID to this ID. Total amount 10 USDT. Sending from spot and funding wallet. So this transfer will be instant. Click on the next, security verification, send success. So within a second our transfer is successful. Now let's check our second account that we have received this fund or not. So this is our second account. Come on the wallet, 63 USDT. Come on the spot. On the spot I have 52 USDT. If you come on the funding, so here you can see our 10 USDT arrived here. So whenever you transfer your funds, you can see on the funding section, here is our 10 USDT. Deposit is pay. So we have received our USDT within a second. Now if you want to do trading with these USDT, you have to transfer these funds from funding to spot. Click on the transfer. Now here you can see from funding to spot. How many USDT you want to transfer? I want maximum. Confirm transfer. Now we have transferred our USDT from funding account to spot account. Now you can buy any coin you want. If you don't know how to buy coins, I have already created a video on that. You can find the link from the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.